Hello, good morning, students. Okay, now first I'm taking one activity. Okay, clap your hands, tap your cheeks, roll your hand. Okay, very good. Now, students, I show you some things. Tell me the name of things. Okay, ready? See, what is this?
Cap.
Cap. This is a simple cap. When we wear this cap,
Any birthday is there, then we wear this cap.
okay, very good. And what is this?
This card.
See, this is a, see properly, this is a candle. Okay. And see, what is this?
Ball. Balloon.
Yes, this is balloon. So students, balloons, candles, birthday cap. When we use all these things in any birthday party. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. And what we doing in parties?
We cutting cake and we wish doing.
Yes.
And we taking a cake and we taking a cake and eating.
Yes, eating a cake. Okay. So we all are very excited about our birthday, our friend's birthday, our parents' birthday. Yes, you all like to celebrate birthday parties.
Yes.
Yes, we like to eat chocolates, cake, wafers, and we enjoying birthday. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So our today's lesson is about birthday party, but it's a different. Okay. So today we learn English subject, Unit 3, lesson number 5, surprise birthday parties. You all like surprises?
Yes.
Our elders, our parents give a surprise. Okay, so we start our lesson, our online class conducted by MCGM. Okay, so you see, tell me the name of animal.
Monkey. Monkey.
Monkey, yes. You like this animal?
Yes. Yes.
So, yes. So, our today's story is about monkey. Okay. Okay, now, see students, for look at the picture and tell me the different names of animals. Okay. There is a monkey named Manku. Okay. The name of the monkey is Manku. Repeat after me. Manku.
Manku.
Yes.
Manku.
And Manku lived in a cave. You see the cave, students?
Yes.
Okay. So I show you the cave. A lake was near the cave. See, this is a cave. Okay. Monkey's house. This is a cave. Cave is near the lake. See, you see, this is a lake, okay? And Manku live in a cave. Okay, students, understand all of you?
Yes. Yes.
Now see,
Duck.
yes, which animal is this? Dog.
Duck.
Yes. See, is dog and this is also dog, okay? But this is a pair of brother and sister. His name is Ducky. Repeat after me, Ducky.
Ducky.
Yes, this is a brother, Ducky, and this is a sister, Lucky. Her name is Lucky. Okay.
Duck.
Yes, Ducky the Drank and his sister Lucky. Okay. Now Ducky and Lucky live in the lake. Live in the lake. You know the students where duck live?
Lake.
Yes. So here is Ducky and his sister Lucky. Okay. Ducky, brother and sister. Repeat after me. Ducky the Drank.
Ducky the Drag.
Yes. His sister Lucky. Okay.
His sister Lucky.
Okay. Now you understand, students?
Yes.
Yes. This is a monkey. His name is Manku. Manku live in a cave. Okay. Manku live in a cave. See. Manku live in a cave. Okay. And near the lake. And this pair of brother and sister, his name is Ducky the Drank and Lucky. His sister, Lucky, yes. Ducky and Lucky. Okay. Now two more animals in our story. See. Which animal is this?
Crane.
Crane. Okay. His name is Jin. Okay. Jin. Repeat after me. Jin. Yes.
Jin.
Yes, Jin. And our last animal, Jenny.
Jenny.
Yes, her name is Jenny. Jean and Jenny, the cranes, live near the lake. See, live near the lake. Now see the full picture. You see the properly full picture, students? Okay. Understand? In our story, yes, in our story, 5 animals are here. See, Manku. Repeat after me, Manku.
Manku.
Ducky.
Ducky.
Lucky.
Lucky.
Jean.
Jean.
And Jenny.
And Jenny.
One monkey.
One monkey.
2 dogs.
2 dogs.
And 2 cranes.
And 2 cranes.
Okay, you understand all of you?
Yes.
Okay. So students, now start our story. Okay. So Ducky Lucky live in the lake. Okay. And Jean and Jenny live near the lake. Okay. All of them were Manku's friend. See, 2 dogs, Ducky Lucky, Jean and Jenny. All of them Manku's friend. Okay. They love to play together. See, 5 animals, 1 monkey, 2 ducks and 2 cranes love to play together. Okay, students? Now, one day, Manku become very happy. See, Manku. See her face. Manku is smiling, no?
Yes.
Yes. So one day Manku become very happy. Oh, tomorrow is Sunday. And Sunday is my birthday. Ducky Lucky, Jean and Jenny will come to say happy birthday, thought Manku. Soon it was Sunday. Manku waited for a long time, for hours and hours, but no one came. So he felt very sad. Manku felt very sad. Why he felt very sad? Because his friends not coming to wish him. Okay. Now Manku went to the lake. What Manku doing? Manku searched for a friend. Manku went to the lake. But see, you see his friends here?
No.
No, no one is here. So sadly, Manku came back to his cave. So this is Manku's cave. You see properly, students?
Yes.
Yes, this is Manku's cave. Now sadly, Manku thought no one can see in the lake. So Manku come back to his cave. See, this is cave's entrance. Okay. Manku was surprised to see the cake on the table. Okay, students, see. Now, here is a table. You see the table, students? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now, Manku was surprised to see the cake on the table. See, this is the cake. Manku surprised to see the cake on the table. Wow, a cake, said Manku. Lucky, in Jenny. See, Lucky, here is Lucky and their friends, Jean and Jenny, all come to and shouted, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Manku. We were looking to give you a surprise, all said. You see the all animals? Yes, students?
Yes.
Yes, all animals come
Yes.
and shouted, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Manku. We were waiting to give you a surprise, all said. I have a cake for you, said Jean. So where is Jean? See, here is Jean. What Jean said? I have made a cake for you. This cake is made by Jean. I bake a cake for you, said Jean. See, this is, yes, here is a Jean. What do you say? I bake a cake for you. So Jean bake a cake. I bought you some grapes, said Jenny. See, this is grapes. Jenny bought a grapes for Manku. And we have made this table for you, said Ducky and Lucky. See, Ducky and Lucky decorate this table. See how nice table is. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So Ducky Lucky decorate
Yes.
table. And Jean make a cake. And Jenny bought for some grapes for Manku. Okay, students.
Yes.
It's really a surprise for me. Who said? Manku. Manku said, wow, it's really a surprise for me. Thank you, my dear friends. You all are really great. We say thank you now. When we get some,
Thank you.
yes, when we say get some gifts. So what we say? Thank you.
Thank
So
you. Thank you.
thank you all my dear friends. You all are really great. I love you all. Said Manku. Then they all dance together. See, then they cut the cake and enjoy birthday party. Okay, understand students?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So this is the birthday party of Manku. You understand this story, students?
Yes.
Okay, so now we one time I read the story and you listen properly. This is our English textbook, page number 29, Unit 3, lesson number 5, surprise birthday party. See the heading in blue lines. Lesson number 5, surprise birthday party. You all see the screen properly?
Yes.
Okay, now students, I am reading this story. You only listen. Understand?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And see the pictures also. Okay, I ask you some question about this story. There was a monkey named Manku. Manku lived in a cave.
Manku live in a cave.
Don't repeat, only listen, beta. Okay? A lake was near the cave. Ducky the Drake and his sister Lucky live in the lake. Jean and Jenny, the cranes, live near the lake. Okay, understand all of you students?
Yes.
Okay, now see the next. All of them were Manku's friends. They love to play together. One day, Manku became very happy. Oh, tomorrow is Sunday and Sunday is my birthday. Ducky, Lucky, Jean and Jenny will come to say happy birthday, thought Manku. Soon it was Sunday. Manku waited for a long time, for hours and hours, but no one came. So he felt very sad. Okay, now see students, you see my screen properly?
Yes.
Okay. Manku went to the lake, but no one was there. So sadly, Manku came back to his cave. Manku was surprised to see the cake on the table. Wow, a cake, said Manku. Okay, understand students?
Yes.
Okay, and see this picture? Manku was very happy to see the cake. Okay,
Okay.
now Ducky Lucky, Jean and Jenny came out and shouted, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Manku. We were waiting to give you a surprise. All said. I baked cake for you, said Jean. I bought you some grapes, said Jenny. And we have made this table for you, said Ducky and Lucky. Now see the picture, student. It's really a surprise for me. Thanks, my dear friends. You all are really great. I love you all, said Manku. Then they all danced together. You all like surprise, students?
Yes.
And you all like this story?
Yes.
Okay, so I ask you some question. Okay, tell me the answer. How many animals in this story?
5.
5. Name them. Tell me the name of 5 animals.
Manku, Ducky, Lucky, Jin, and Jenny.
Very good. See. Monkey,
Ducky, Lucky, Jin, Jenny.
Jin, Jenny. So, this is a
Manku.
Manku. Yes. And tell me the name of
Ducky.
Ducky. Ducky the drink. Okay.
Ducky the duck.
Duck. Okay.
Lucky.
Lucky is a brother and sister. Okay. Ducky, Lucky. Very good.
Jin.
Jean, yes. Jean and
Jenny.
Jean and Jenny. Okay, now students, you also like some animals. Now tell me the name of your favorite animal.
My favorite animal is Manku, Ducky, Lucky, and
The name of animal.
that name of dog.
Okay. Now only one favorite animal. Okay, students. You write 5 or 6 lines on your favorite animals. Okay. This is your homework. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. And see, page number 29, you read this story. Okay? You understand?
Okay.
All of you understand this story?
Yes.
Page number 29 and 30. Okay, students? So you read this story one time and see. Talk about your favorite animal. Write a few lines about it. Okay? Write a few lines on your any animals you like. Anyone like cow, dog, elephant, horse. Okay? And see the third question. Match the following things and sound with their pictures. So this is your homework. Okay? Match the column. So these 2 questions you all are doing in a homework. Okay, students?
Okay.
Yes? Okay. So you like this story?
Yes.
Okay, now tell me the name of the story.
Surprise birthday party. Surprise birthday party.
Very good. Surprise birthday party. So students, I think you all love this story and you all please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Okay, share with your friends and families. Goodbye, students.